Arjun was a young man with pride in his collar and arrogance in his eyes. He worked in a corporate office, wore polished shoes, and never missed a chance to show off. Every morning, he passed by a street where an old man, Ramu, swept the road silently. Ramu wore torn clothes, his hands were rough, and sweat dripped from his forehead. He never looked up, just kept sweeping, day after day. One morning, Arjun passed by, chuckled, and said loudly to his friend, "Look at this man, sweeping dirt for a living. What a waste of life." Ramu heard it, but didn't respond. He just smiled gently and kept sweeping. Days passed. The mocking continued. Sometimes Arjun even threw a paper on the ground right after Ramu cleaned it, laughing as he walked away. Then life took a turn. The company Arjun worked for suffered a major loss. A scandal broke out. Layoffs began. Arjun was fired. With no savings and a sick mother at home, he applied everywhere, but no job came. Weeks turned into months. His friends vanished. His pride shattered. One day, hungry and desperate, Arjun saw a sign outside the municipal office. Workers needed for street cleaning. Daily wages, 300 rupees. His hands trembled, but he signed up. The next morning, he wore a dull uniform, held a broom for the first time, and stepped onto the street. People stared. Some laughed. Some ignored him. A few recognized him, but none helped. As he bent down to sweep, he looked up and saw an old man watching him. It was Ramu. Ramu walked up slowly, handed Arjun a bottle of water, and said softly, "Don't worry, Beta. This job is not shameful. But mocking someone who does it, that's real shame." Tears welled in Arjun's eyes. That day, he didn't just sweep the road. He swept away his arrogance. Moral: the one you laugh at today might be the one helping you tomorrow. Life is unpredictable. Never look down on someone because of their job or situation. Respect everyone, because time has a way of reversing roles. Let's learn from the story. 1. Arrogance. Meaning: the quality of thinking you are better or more important than others. Example: his arrogance made him look down on people who had less than him. 2. Polished. Meaning: made smooth and shiny by rubbing, neat and clean in appearance. Example: he wore polished shoes to work every day. 3. Mocking. Meaning: making fun of someone in a cruel or disrespectful way. Example: the boy kept mocking the cleaner for his job. 4. Torn. Meaning: ripped or damaged. Example: the old man wore torn clothes but held his head high. 5. Gently. Meaning: in a soft or mild way. Example: she gently placed a blanket over the sleeping child. 6. Scandal. Meaning: an action or event that causes public outrage or embarrassment. Example: the company collapsed after a major scandal.